Welcome back. This is round 2 action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Friendship Primary on 6 and McIntosh Memorial Primary on 3. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Adriel Ford of Friendship Primary, who's up against Delano Ellis of McIntosh Memorial Primary. Both of them are the captains. So, Captain Adriel, we begin with you. What's the place value of the 5 in 1.0875?
10 thousandths.
That is correct. Adriel, what is 11.34 minus 2.98?
8.36.
That's correct. A coin is tossed once. What is the probability of getting tails?
A half.
That's correct. What is 0.078 as a percentage?
7.8%.
That's correct. A flight left Jamaica at 1:35 p.m. and arrived in Trinidad and Tobago 4 hours and 45 minutes after. What was the time of arrival in Trinidad and Tobago?
6:20 p.m.
That is correct. 5 of 5, Captain. We're now over to you, Delano. What's the value of the 3 in 15.236?
Hundredth.
Say again?
Hundredth.
That's incorrect. Captain Adriel, want to try?
Yes, please. 300ths.
That is correct. Captain Delano, what is 12.21 minus 4.79? Question passes. Captain Adriel, want to try?
Yes, please. 7.42.
That is correct. Captain Delano, the letters E, F, G, H are put in a bag. What's your chance of drawing a G from the bag?
1/4.
That's correct. What is 0.5% written as a decimal?
0.005.
That's right. A car left Negril at 10:30 a.m. and arrived in Kingston 5 hours and 35 minutes later. What time did the car arrive in Kingston?
4:15 p.m.
That's incorrect. Captain Adriel, want to try?
Yes, please. 4:05 p.m.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science is between Dexter Bovell of Friendship Primary up against Brianna Hewitt of McIntosh Memorial. Dexter, what's the chemical formula for carbon dioxide?
CO2.
That's right. What's the name of the part of the human eye that attaches the lens to the ciliary body?
Suspensory ligament.
That's correct. Which part of the body stores urine?
The bladder.
That's correct. What is another name for the feelers found on the heads of insects?
Antennae.
That's correct. Which word describes an organism belonging to or living in water?
Marine.
That's incorrect. Brianna, want to try?
No, miss.
It's aquatic. Brianna, over to you. Which two elements combine to form carbon dioxide?
Carbon and oxygen.
That's right. What's the name for the part of the human eye where the optic nerves leaves the eye and has no light-sensitive cells?
Blind spot.
That's right. Which organ of the body filters out waste and excess water to form urine?
Kidney.
That's correct. Where do most amphibians lay their eggs?
In water.
That is correct. Brianna, what's the name for the smallest particle or unit of matter of an element? Question passes. Dexter, want to try?
Atom.
An atom is correct. And that takes us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Tashana Gale of Friendship Primary. Tashana goes up against Michaela Johnson of McIntosh Memorial Primary. Tashana, Spell deteriorate.
O-R-I-T.
That's incorrect. Michaela, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's deteriorate. D-E-T-E-R-I-O-R-A-T-E. Tashana, which six-letter noun starting with P means a widespread affliction or disease?
Pandemic.
That's incorrect. Michaela, want to try?
No, thank you.
Plague. Tashana, correct the error in this sentence. She is strong as me.
Me should be I.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of visible.
Invisible.
That's right. Form a noun from the word innocent.
Innocence.
That is correct. Michaela, over to you. Spell infiltrate.
INFILTENTATRANTE.
That's incorrect. Tashana, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's infiltrate. INFILTRATE. Michaela, which five-letter adjective starting with S means not drunk or affected by alcohol?
Pass.
Question passes. Tashana, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Sober.
Sober is correct. Michaela, correct the error in this sentence. Let you and I help the lady.
You.
Question passes. Tashana, want to try?
Let us help the lady.
That's incorrect. I should be me. Michaela, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of mobile.
Immobile.
That's correct. Michaela, form a noun from the word immortal.
Immortality.
That is correct. Taking us now to our final face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Gabrielle Burke of Friendship Primary. Gabrielle goes up against Kajan Allen of McIntosh Memorial Primary. Gabrielle, which Jamaican parish was named after the wife of the then governor, Sir Thomas Modiford?
St. Elizabeth.
Sorry, say again?
St. Elizabeth.
That is correct. Gabrielle, in which 2 years in the 1970s did Jamaica hold general elections?
1970.
Question passes. Kajan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1972 and 1976. Gabrielle, what's the only planet that spins clockwise?
Venus.
That's right. In which Jamaican parish is the Carpenter's Mountain Range?
St. Elizabeth.
That's incorrect. Kajan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Manchester. Gabrielle, which Jamaican food is sometimes referred to as pone? Kajan, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's pudding. Kajan, we're now over to you. St. Elizabeth is the home of one of the most famous maroon towns in Jamaica. What's the name of the town?
A compound.
That's right. In which 2 years in the 1990s did Jamaica hold general elections?
1992 and 1995.
That's incorrect. Gabrielle, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1993 and 1997. Kajan, which planet appears as a bright red star-like object at nights?
Venus.
That's incorrect. Gabrielle, want to try?
No, thank you. No, thank you.
It's Mars. Kajan, in which Jamaican parish is the Port Royal Mountain Range?
Kingston.
That's incorrect. Gabrielle, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's St. Thomas. Kajan, what's another name for the Jamaican food known as blue drawers? Question passes. Gabrielle, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Thai leaf.
Or dukuno. That is correct. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Friendship Primary on 26 and McIntosh Memorial Primary on 12. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.